Assalamu alaikum friends. Today our topic is expanded forms. Expanded form means expansion of a number. We get expanded form by writing the sum of the value of each digit of a number. How do we expand numbers? We expand numbers to see the value of each digit. It helps us in performing calculations easily. Let's solve examples in copy. The first example is 7426. 7426 is a four-digit number. First, write the place of each digit. 6 is at ones place, 2 is at tens place, 4 is at hundreds place, and 7 is at thousands place. Let's now write the expanded form. 7 is at thousand place, so multiply 7 by 1000 and write 7000. 4 is at hundreds place, so multiply 4 by 100 and write 400. Plus 2 is at tens place, so multiply 2 by 10 and write 20. Plus 6 is at ones place, so multiply 6 by 1 and write 6. Second example is 5049. Write the place of each. 9 is at ones place, 4 is at tens place, 0 is at hundreds place, and 5 is at thousands place. So first write 5000. 0, as there is 0 at hundreds place, plus 40, plus 9. 5000 plus 0 plus 40 plus 9 is the expanded form. If we sum up it, it will be 5049. Hopefully you like the video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.